Arcadia.
Yeah, right there. So
Not that he has any.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I think we're in the wrong spot.
On this coin?
Yeah.
The coin was
So according to the coin, we need to be about
3 feet that way?
yeah, it's about 6 feet.
Oh.
6 feet to the right.
I didn't look at the legend.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
glad
sorry.
you brought that.
Yeah, I can hear you from here. I got ears. Oh yeah, that's gonna help. He just turns his chair around, like that's gonna help. I am Michael Gattuso. I'm the leader of the Real Treasure Hunters.
I'm the voice of reason.
I'm always right.
He's always wrong.
I did not know what I was marrying into.
I like sharp objects. 4 pieces of 1x2 wood, some chicken wire, and a stapler. And we had a sifter in 10 minutes.
I totally forgot to tell you that I am a 2-time published author. Like legit.
2 times.
And
It was the same article, but it's
yeah,
still 2 times.
Mike and I became business partners, and we owned our own repossession company for many years. Stealing for a living, baby.
And now you're stealing treasure.
Yeah, if someone can ever show me where it is. Yeah, if there's a coffin in here.
What is he doing? Knocking all the dirt in the hole?
Nothing there. There's nothing there but wood. Ancient wood. Let's see.
I like to really stick the pinpointer in there just to double check it with the pinpointer.
Here, I'll hold you by your ankles. Reach down there.
It's got the shovel from here.
Let me see. Hold that.
Right? So nothing.
Aaron, you need me to call Oak Island?
It's some kind of.
Call Marty?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's wood. It looks like it's just.
Oh, what is that? It's like tile or something.
Dude.
There's nothing there. So I
Pull
got
it, we'll pull it out. I just want to see what the hell is, what that is.
something in the sidewall right there. Something right here. Much shallow. Right here.
I know.
Hard as clay, it looks like.
Coquina.
Not even coquina.
Hey.
Cocaine?
I don't know what to think. I mean, I guess it could be the dirt. Except let's say.
That hard?
I don't think dirt really does like that.
No.
Well, there's a hard pan. Hard pan.
Yeah. Well, why would it be here?
I mean, weird the way it echoes like that.
I never seen it here again.
Here, scrape it some more. Let me see that.
Hard. It's like a layer.
Try scrape something off.
You're probably not good.
Hard. We do with the excavator. We
That's gonna be
take an inch
Is
at a
it
time.
dirt?
It kind of looks like it's dirt.
one silver bar. Look at the fence. Watch the fence. And that's this.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, wow.
No, there it is. What the hell is that?
It's dirt.
No, it's not.
Take that thing and try to
No,
spear
that's
it.
whatever it is, it's that right there. See it?
Yep.
How it's brown?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's the dirt.
It's this shit, Mike.
Will that puncture it?
See this? Look at this.
Like an
Crushed
old
it.
outhouse, you think?
Crush it.
Put a hard pan I'm talking about.
Yeah. It's that hard, that?
Yeah, hard pan. Hard as shit.
Hit it one more time. You should be able to.
You hear how it echoes?
hear an echo,
It just
though.
sounds weird.
It's this.
But
It's
is
this
it?
echo.
I'm telling you, I guess it could be the hole itself is making an echo.
Yeah.
I sure the shit sounded like something was down there.
I don't know.
We didn't get stuck on one spot. Let's get, maybe.
It does sound a little hollow though,
Yeah, it
doesn't it?
does.
It's just weird sounding.
It really does.
I mean, you think that if it was the dirt, it would just be more of a thump,
I think it's.
and that's it.
So.
I'm not falling for that shit again.
I wonder if I wonder if there used to be a tree.
Fool me once, okay?
Yeah, the rest of the car.
Yeah, that's not dirt. You feel it, Mike? Does it like feel it
I don't know.
like a rock? Or would there be stones that deep? Probably not, right? The old sand down there.
Dug this out.
It's too hard, I think, to be.
To dig it, you mean?
No. I'm saying it's might because it's too hard for it to be an ammunition box.
No, it is too hard to be an ammunition box.
That point of that thing would go through it, right?
Ammo boxes. That steel pretty thick on ammo box. I got like 7 of them in my house. It's pretty thick.
That's a strange sound, man.
I don't know if hardpan would make that sound.
Sí, eso está medio raro. Suena como si fuera una
Stone on top.
You might be hitting the front bumper.
stone or.
It could be a stone on top of the
Maybe.
box.
I just felt the ground move right here.
It's making a weird sound. Listen to the sound it's making. It's making a weird sound like there's empty underneath it.
Like it's hollow?
Yeah, like there's something. It's like almost
Like a cover?
singing against something. You hear it?
It would be too far.
Like, you know what it did? It, just like an echo.
Yeah.
Like you hit it and it hits
Echoes.
again.
Right? Yeah, it's like boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's an echo. That means there's a cavity in there. What do you think? Take a look at it. Feel it. Dude, you have to do it yourself to actually experience it because it's like, it's almost like a suction, like you've hidden it in
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Right?
There's something like it's a
Like-
it's a piece of like it's
someone's
a
stuck in it.
Gage,
yeah.
Be
It's
careful.
like
that's
it's a
burn
piece
pit.
of plywood on
That's
top
a trash
of.
pile burn pit is what that is.
It's like on top of a plywood, like a piece of plywood.
It's covering something, right?
Yeah.
It sounds like stone.
I mean, if the ammunition boxes are soft, you wouldn't want to hit it with a shovel, because then you're contaminating everything. So
Yeah.
you would put something at least so you know you hit it.
That's a strange thing, though. That's something's a little odd about that. Where's that post?
Do you need this?
Something's a little weird about that.
Right? Yeah.
It's definitely strange.
Yeah, it's like I was hitting it, and it's almost like a suction. Like you hit it, you hear like a suction's being done.
You got me water? Thank you.
It's a weird noise. Usually when we hit something in the ground, obviously it sounds pretty solid.
Now that's like hollow. That's an underground bunker.
Oh, yeah. That's
¿Sí? Pero también se raspa como si fuera arena, pero... You know what I would do? This is up to you.
dig it.
Probably I'd refill those in.
No, I can do it.
Oh, with the tractor? Oh, shit. All right. I was about to say, we fill that in while somebody else, we dig this little.
Oh, yeah.
Go to the next.
Yeah, I'd stick with this.
Something's weird.
Go
I'd
wider.
like to know what the hell that is. I mean, it's...
Oh look. No, did that just come up? No.
You want to go wider, Mike? So we can.
Yeah, we need to go wider and...
Wow, you guys are hearing it firsthand here.
That's a weird noise.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, dude, like there's an echo, but it's a weird echo.
Yeah.
It's hard.
You know what? I can smell it. It smells like bullshit.
Whoa!
Yeah. It's a rock.
Shannon.
It's a rock.
That is? Mm-hmm. Well, see if you can pull some more off. You just broke it in half.
It's like a plane. But it's too hard.
Man, that just sounds so crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Bedrock.
Yeah.
That's how I'm thinking the tail of the punch.
Doesn't smell like any metal.
Porque el metal lo volviera a metal.
Weird rock.
You think
In
that
the
just
ground.
broke off?
It's weird looking. What kind of rock is that?
I think it's a meteor.
It is a meteor.
Yeah.
Be on that now.
It feels like iron. like a piece of iron. Right?
Don't believe?
Looks like melted steel.
It's coral.
It's coral.
Just like I said, it's coral. Look at it. See the hole right there? That's coral. Look at the little bumps.
Largest
You
bedrock.
see this? You see that? Little. You see where the light's glistening and it's little circles? It's sharp like sandpaper. Sharp like. This is coral.
Did that send a reading now? You're making a necklace?
This is when this was all covered by salt water. Keep digging, we'll find it. This is the layer of dirt that probably was around in the dinosaur days.
It's out of hole.
Yeah, killed the dinosaurs. That layer of dirt that's everywhere around that black, dark, brown layer of dead dirt that fell out of the sky. It's all
crazy.
here buried. Where'd that piece of coral go? Which laid on top of this white coral and stained it black. That's the layers.
That's what we're
But it's
hitting over
giving
there,
us
huh?
a false reading. Of
What
some
about all
kind.
the gold and stuff, though?
Yeah, the gold hits.
Yeah.
So it doesn't
What's your
remove
soil
that
density?
much soil.
It doesn't go
It'll
that deep.
remove LIDAR will remove the top layers of
Foliage.
soil, the very the lighter density soil on the surface, and usually only I think an inch or so
Oh, okay.
of the top soil and or vegetative mass.
Right, right.
So that's all that really
just
removes.
It's not there yet.
Yeah, the technology, but this GPR is different, and GPR sees all the way to the different densities of material. But that's a hard density material. That's what's down there. But we definitely just dug all the way down to coral in the old bedrock and reef. So, and not have anything substantial other than some iron hits, some junk, a fire pit, old fire pit that's very strong with metal objects, nails and whatnot, old cans and stuff like that.
Giving readings.
Yeah. So, yet to find anything, but the story is still solid that there's something buried here, and we're gonna keep looking until we find it.